Shipping containers come in different sizes and lengths: 20 foot long, 40 foot, 45 foot, and 53 foot long containers. This beautiful oceanfront house is built using 5 53-foot shipping containers to craft a 3-bedroom house with breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea, surrounded by the tranquility of Puerto Rico's dry forest. Welcome back. This beautiful oceanfront house is built using 5 shipping containers with 3 53-foot containers and a 20-footer placed side by side on the ground floor level. 2 53-foot containers are cantilevered on one side, supported on steel piers fronting the house. The entire house is elevated off the ground, sitting on a concrete foundation to keep the containers off the ground away from moisture. This container house is truly one of a kind. Walking through the main entrance welcomes you into a swanky open-plan living space with a fully furnished family-size kitchen and lounge area. The lounge space accommodates a stylish couch, a custom coffee table, and a large flat-screen TV for your entertainment. The home features a large up-to-date kitchen with quality and modern appliances, enough under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, plus excellent quality finishes throughout. In addition, the kitchen is also fitted with a large kitchen island that serves as the home's dining area. Off the lounge area is a lavish bathroom featuring a toilet and a fully tiled glass shower cubicle. From the living room is the first bedroom. It is nicely fitted with a cozy double bed and a comfortable twin over bed and a window overlooking the lush gardens with lots of natural light streaming in, creating a sunny and welcoming atmosphere. A narrow floating staircase leads to the upper story of the house. The master bedroom features a comfortable bed with ample pillows, plus a walk-in closet and a private patio to extend the bedroom space to the outdoors. The second bedroom on the opposite end is equally spacious, and it features a cozy queen bed with a twin bed next to it and a closet. The 2 bedrooms share a spacious master bathroom and features a fully tiled glass shower cubicle, a toilet, and modern wash and basin. The upper floor also has a compact home office, a nice place to do your paperwork as you soak in the beautiful ocean views. The patio is outfitted with outdoor furniture and a barbecue grill to prepare a hearty meal and enjoy some alfresco dining and lounging. As a sustainable design statement, the grooves of the shipping container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a shade of gray, celebrating the industrial vibe of the design. The home has a spacious outdoor pool where you can relax and unwind as you soak in the endless ocean views of the Caribbean Sea. This beautiful house is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we showcase amazing weekly videos of shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.